Can you imagine playing the cello with a gorgeous sound, ergonomically correct technique, and with complete freedom of expression? Okay, keep watching to find out. Do you relate to one of these things? Do you feel like you have tension or even pain in different areas of your body when you play? Do you get easily tired when you practice? And you spend too much time practicing and not getting the results that you want? If you identify with one of these things, don't worry, I'm here to help. My name is Wendy Law. I am a professional cellist. I have a master's degree from the Juilliard School, and I've been performing and teaching for 20 plus years. You know, I've basically struggled with tension and with sound production for a long time growing up, and it's been pretty frustrating now that I've been teaching for so many years, and I find that a lot of my students struggle with the same thing. And you know, I used to play with a lot of fours, thinking that, you know, if I play with more fours, then my sound would just somehow become bigger and better. But actually the opposite happened. My sound became smaller, my sound was forceful and scratchy, it just didn't sound good. And then in doing so, I created a lot of tension in my body, which was not good. And of course, as we know, first it comes tension, then it becomes pain. And then when it goes long enough, then it stops us from enjoying playing the cello. And now I've created a system called the Play with Ease system for my students, as well as for myself, where I figured out how to sit and play ergonomically to not only release tension, but also to produce the biggest and a better sound. So actually, not only it improves the sound, it also really makes me feel more relaxed. My technique has improved tremendously over the years, and it keeps getting better. And I see the same results for my students. And now I wanted to share these results, and I wanted to share some of these techniques and the system with you all because it works. So this course is like 2 years in the making, and I'm really excited to share it. It has 5 modules and 41 lessons with exercise and reflection at the end that would be very good if you actually utilize, because it will really help you to evaluate your own progress. So I highly recommend doing those exercises and reflection at the end of each lesson. So let's go through kind of what the 5 modules are. The first module is all about posture. This is about how you sit. Okay, so a lot of these things may seem obvious, but you have no idea how you sit and your posture really affects your sound and your technique. And sometimes we think we're sitting correctly, but you're not really thinking about those little things that will make a difference in your posture. So I'm talking about the little things and really evaluating how you sit and how you can change. One little thing can make a whole big difference in your playing. Trust me in that. Module 2 is left hand technique. So important. We're going to explore basically different left hand techniques that will give you power, but at the same time release tension. We're going to learn all about the secret to the perfect left hand shape, how to release tension in the fingers, thumb, and extensions. We're going to learn how to nail every shift and learn how to achieve a beautiful and natural vibrato. We're also going to go into thumb position. How can you have the best shape and how can you do it without effort? Module 3, bow technique. In this module, we're going to use different exercises to help you achieve maximum sound with minimal extra effort. You'll learn the turn the doorknob method and how to develop flexibility to release tension. You'll learn the natural bow hole approach and the pendulum method to create a beautiful sound. Learn how to evenly distribute the fingers without squeezing the thumb, right? Learn how to play loud without effort. And we're going to learn how to vary between bow pressure and speed on each string to produce the best sound. Module 4, now that we've learned all the technical things, we're going to put it into practice. How do you practice releasing? In this module, we'll dive deep into the actual practice of releasing with tools including breathwork, movement, and journaling. And here's what we'll explore. We're going to learn how to spot and release at the moment. We will learn how to properly warm up before we actually get deep into practicing to stay loose. We are going to learn how to move naturally to enhance your playing, and we're going to learn this one secret tool that works like a charm in releasing tension, and you'll find out what that is in the course. Last but not least, module 5, body awareness. we will explore our relationship with our body and how it can strengthen us to be better cellists. We will learn how to listen and allow it to guide every move that we do on the cello, right? We're going to learn to find ways to strengthen the body, learn how to reset the body, and learn how to prepare your body to play. So is this course right for you? If you're ready to basically better your bowing technique, your intonation, accuracy, sound production, vibrato, and left hand technique, then yes. If you're ready to let go of tension, discomfort, and play with joy and ease, this course is for you. If you are serious about making progress on the cello, this course is for you. If you want to play cello easily and effortlessly, this course is for you. If you're ready to take your cello playing to the next level, this course is for you. If you are a beginner cellist with at least 3 months of instruction, intermediate, advanced to pre-professionals, this course is for you. Please know that this course is not a how to play the cello course. There are many of these courses out there. This course is about how to use your body to maximize the results of freer playing with more expression, with better technique, with more control and more enjoyment and fun. But what's really exciting is that with this course comes 3 bonuses that I wanted you guys to have for this launch. And this is good stuff. And the first one is one of the things that I'm most excited about is this exclusive cello mastery community and support. This is good stuff. This is awesome because I want you to be part of a cello mastery community and gain access to curated technique discussions, exclusive video content, and support directly from me. You can ask cello or course related questions, connect with fellow cellists, and share your progress with each other. Can't be better. Number 2, you're gonna get a cello mastery course, The Art of Practicing, completely free. So I want to help you to continue to improve as a cellist. So it's really important for you to learn how to practice effectively to maximize results. We all want that, right? In this pre-recorded live course, you're gonna learn how to practice efficiently, how to work on technically challenging passages, how to be motivated to practice, and how to develop a good practice routine, and how to set your goals to achieve your cello dream. Last but not least, another bonus you're gonna have is a cello mastery vibrato course. This is awesome. I'm gonna teach you how to vibrate. I'm gonna give you exercises on learning how to vibrato. And for more advanced students, you're gonna learn how to vary your vibrato from wide vibrato to narrow vibrato to continuous vibrato, fast and slow vibrato. How do you vibrate, with different phrasing, all that good stuff, and a ton of exercises for you to practice and master your vibrato. Just think about this. What if you can play with ease and fluidity without feeling tense or frustrated? I think this course will do that for you. So an offer this good is not gonna last forever. So check out when this course is closing and go ahead. And there are different payment options. But before we get into all that, I want you to read some of the results of my students who have taken the course and how it has changed them.
I'm an advanced amateur cellist, and for years I lived with neck and back pain after playing the cello for any length of time. But since incorporating the principles in Wendy's course into my playing, I can now get through a 3-hour orchestra rehearsal pain-free, and my sound is better. Wendy has made playing the cello so much more enjoyable for me, and I will be forever grateful to her for that. If you want to free yourself from pain, you should definitely sign up for Wendy's course.
I've really enjoyed Wendy Law's cello mastery course, Playing with Ease. This comprehensive course offers a series of short and sweet videos that are packed full of useful information. I think what I found personally most useful were the exercises and the reflection questions that come with every video. They've really helped me visualize the minute details of the physicality of cello playing, and I think that has been extremely useful in guiding my continual exploration of the cello. As a teacher, I've also found Wendy's analogies and her vibrant delivery to be absolutely inspiring. So thank you very much, Wendy.
Hello, my name is Melissa Gastrahan, and I am a college-level cellist. During my practices, I've been experiencing a lot of tension in my shoulders whenever I go through difficult passages. And with Wendy's online course, she's able to walk me through methods of having to release any tension that I've had. And if you have been experiencing any tension throughout your left arm or in your shoulders as well, I would recommend this course to you.
So I'd been playing the cello for a couple of years, but I wasn't sounding any better. And then I took Wendy's course and she showed me much better technique, how to shape my left hand and how to extend properly, how to move my body and open up for more musicality, how to have better posture in general, and also how to bow for a better tone and sound, and how to practice, how to make the most out of your practice time. I would recommend the course. I think that you'll really enjoy it.
Playing the cello doesn't have to be difficult. I'm basically giving my hand out to you. I put all my love, my experience, and all my trial and errors, and everything I've learned and experienced, everything I've seen with my students, what works, what doesn't. I put it all here in one place in a course for you to take this course at your own pace, right? And to take it at the comfort of your own home, and to create this community of support so that you can share knowledge, share your progress, share your ideas with my guidance so that I can guide you through this journey. So there's interactions, there is curated content, there is the pre-recorded videos, there's the community, there are the bonuses. There's a lot here that I've basically put together and spent 2 years of hard work putting together, because I am an advocate of the cello. I love playing the cello, and I want to share this love with the world, and I want you to share your love of the cello with the world by just having a great time playing, practicing, and performing with more confidence if you so choose to perform, or just enjoy the process of getting better and go faster. I'm giving you the shortcut to mastery. Basically, that's what I'm doing. I think playing the cello has a lot to do with experimentation, and you will have to do that, but I'm already telling you what works and what doesn't. And then, of course, you have to do your own work and experiment and learn and try out different things and see out of all these ideas what works the best for you, because I think a good teacher is not to teach you exactly what to do. A good teacher is someone that gives you all the tools so that you can be a good teacher to yourself. That's what a good teacher is. So I hope that you enjoy this process of discovery and have a great time, have fun, and let's do this together.